doesn't need to pick up as the baler. We've got a New Holland baler there, 376, one of the last of the smaller, the conventional balers, as we're apt to call them in the trade, which produces the traditional size of bale, 14 by 18 or 14 by 16 square. The length, of course, is very much up to you to decide. How you want it to adjust that far. You see the baler coming along. It's the back wheel that's mounted on the top that actually rubs into the crop as the bale progresses down the chamber, and that lifts the valve. When it reaches the top, it will trip the knotter, and the needle, the hung on the needle, will come up, present the second string to the knotter. The knotter's already holding the long string. It presents the second string, and the knotter will form the passage